this is Mama Made. I have the save coupon insert that's coming on Sunday, April the 11th, 2021. I get these in my mailbox in my area. They do not even come in the newspapers. That's how I get a hold of it early. And coupons can vary per region. Amounts can vary as well. $1 off 2 Purex, $1 off of 1, that is the large account, and then the Purex crystals. So these coupons are a limit of 1. They pretty much always are. $1.50 off of 3 Kellogg's, that might come in handy. Expiration is the end of May. Klondike cone or shake. I've been getting $2 Catalinas and digitals, and there's some fetch offers. So I'm sure we'll get these free or like super cheap soon. But the $1 off there. $3 hair color. Buy one, get one free on the right guard. Persil, $2 off of 1. Those are a limit of 1, but you can pair them in with digitals. Make a good deal. $3 for the cat chow. And here we got some Flonase coupons here. Pat a day, I guess that's how you say it. Some more cat food products here. Excited that I started getting L'Oreal coupons in my region, the 4 off of 2 and the 4 off of the purple ever kind. Here is some Goya coupons. I'm just gonna pan out to show you Family Dollar. If you wanna look at anything closer, just hit pause. But I don't do matchups for Family Dollar. Okay, so the 2 off of 2 Herbal Essence, and then we have the $3 Gillette Men's and the Venus razors here. That's a good coupon. Advertisement to print off any of these coupons. Here we have the $1 off of Crest. Most of our digitals are a little bit higher value from the accounts that I have. $2 on the Burt's Bees. Nice thick insert this time. $1.50 Prime dog treats. I don't have a pet, so that's why you never see me do pet deals. Magna Life and Boost, 4 off of 2. And the allergy medicines Zyrtec and Benadryl on the back. All right, guys, so that's it for the insert. Definitely a few good coupons in there. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.